Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. I also hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So now all we have to do is to tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner and go to the settings. Here, let's scroll down to the very bottom and find Restore Defaults and tap on Restore. And as you can see, we just got back and the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully removed or actually reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.